How to copy Discord profile link on mobile. Open Discord app, then go to profile. Just tap on bottom right corner profile icon. On this profile page, you have to tap on the settings at the top right corner. Scroll down and go to advanced. You have to turn off the developer mode. Just toggle on the button of developer mode. Come back and go to chats by tapping on messages at the bottom of the screen. Open any chat and you have to tap on your profile. Now tap on three dots at the top right corner. Now here tap on copy user ID. You have to open your notes and you have to type in discordapp.com/user/ and paste the user ID. Once you have added your user ID or pasted your user ID of Discord, so this is your Discord profile link. You can easily copy all of them and paste anywhere you'd like to and share it to your friends. So this is how we can easily copy our Discord profile link on mobile. Thanks for watching.